Did you know, guys, with just simple materials, you can make a super cool 3D hologram? Okay, let's get started with the first step. Here, we'll prepare a used plastic bottle. We only need one material for this, guys. First, cut the plastic bottle and take the top part. Make sure the cut is even, guys. After cutting off the top, take the middle section of the bottle and flatten it. Since the material is a bit stiff, we need to press it down first to make it smooth. Next, take a piece of paper and trace a pattern that matches. The size of the bottle's top. Then, carefully cut along the outline. Once the piece is cut into a triangle shape, take some tape to attach it. Insert the triangle-shaped piece into the bottle and fix it in place with the tape. Don't forget to position it at a slight angle, guys. Make sure it's securely attached. Okay, once everything is neatly in place, grab your phone and test it out. And look, guys, the result is so cool. Wow, amazing.